Republic Day to all everyone.
ఇప్పుడు మేము గ్రౌండ్కి వెళ్తున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మేము లేట్ వెళ్తున్నాం అసలే. చూద్దాం. ప్రేయర్ బిగిన్స్.
The country. In a historic move, for the first time in the history of RGUKT, the entire 6 stanzas of Vande Mataram was played.
మాకైతే ఎగ్జైటింగ్ ఉంది, ఎప్పుడు March 1 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అని.
And finally, we have heard the Raghupati Raghava Rajaram, the song dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. Once again, give a big round of applause for their exemplary performance.
Republic Day reminds us that our republic is sustained not by words alone, but by discipline, responsibility, and service. Today's March Past is the result of 3 months of rigorous training and unwavering commitment carried out even when temperature dropped to 9 degrees Celsius. Present the March Past, demonstrating precision, coordination, and commitment to the Republic. Now we request the cadets to form up and proceed for the March Past.
Officer Vijay Kumar Patlur is arriving towards the stage to escort Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for Niriksha.
Sir inspecting flag squad led by drill instructor Muhammad Afroz. Moving forward, the second troop Garuda Vanguard led by Cadet K. Pranay Kumar. Moving towards the third troop, Veer Shakti Girls Special.
ఇంకా ఇలా March 1 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అన్నప్పటికీ ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్ స్కిట్ ఉందన్నారు. దాని గురించి మేము వెయిటింగ్. మీరు కూడా కావాలంటే పార్ట్ 2 అని కామెంట్ చేయండి.
Of Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir will be having the Republic Day parade, which will be commencing within few seconds.
Represent the core values of the National Cadet Corps: unity, integrity, and selfless service.
The first troop is the flag squad, led by drill instructor Muhammad Afroz from E4 MME. Marching with pride and carrying the honor of the nation is the flag squad. The tricolor in his hands respects sacrifice, sovereignty, and unity. Every step they take reminds us that freedom is protected by discipline. Up next is the Garuda Vanguard's Boys Special Company led by Cadet K. Pranay Kumar from E1 Mechanical Engineering. The motto of this troop is soar high, strike swift, like an unbreakable confidence. Up next is Veer Shakti Girls Special Company, led by Cadet Meghana Akula with the motto Courage in Heart, Victory in Action. Led by Meghana Akula from E2EC. Veer Shakti proves the courage knows no gender. Their discipline and determination redefine the power of women in uniform. Up next is the Agnipath Warriors Girls Company, led by Cadet K. Harshit.
With unshakable strength is Vajra Prahar Girls Company, led by Cadet Pranali Vallabhat from PUC2, with the motto Strike hard and stand strong. With the force of thunderbolt, Vajra Prahar stands firm against every challenge. Next is Pratibhat Yodha Girls Company, led by Cadet B. Kirtana from PUC2, with the motto Committed to the Nation and Bound by Discipline. Krishna from PUC2, every movement reflects control, coordination, and confidence.
With this, we have completed the Republic Day parade. Now we request Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir and other dignitaries to occupy the seats on the stage. Give a big round of applause to the entire parade team for their exemplary performance. Today's parade is not just a march of discipline, completing 10th and PU responsibility on their shoulders. They stood firm through early mornings, tough drills, cold weather, and endless repetitions. They motivated, corrected, guided, and never gave up until excellence became a habit. This final output before us today is not accidental.
Incorporated, and we have taken several more MOEs to see that the students' engagement can happen beyond classroom learning, and they can also have several other advantages and benefits to see that how best we can make our learning the best way possible. And
కళ్ళు కట్టపోతున్నాయి.
నాకు కూడా
అసలు హార్ట్ వచ్చిన అసలు లేడు కన్నా ఒకసారి ఆఫ్ చేసి ఆఫ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఏమరా రే ఇదేంటి కొత్తగా ఉంది. అరే బాగుందిరా. కంటికి ఏకంగా ఇది ఏం కనబడి సార్. అబ్బా నిజంగా బాహుబలి సీనేరా ఇది కదా, బాహుబలి.
కట్టే ఉంటుంది